and banking union is gaining importance. Both projects must be at the heart of building Europe back better. A strong banking sector needs well-functioning capital markets and vice versa. We need to make the financial market work for our recovery. Public financing and monetary policy alone are not enough. This is also key for our global competitiveness. When I think about the urgency to ensure a second legal investment protection and facilitation framework, more equity investments for strong, independent European firms, but also more measures to increase financial literacy. Second, we don't start from zero. We have already adopted important building blocks, but much more remains to be done. 3 weeks ago, the European Parliament adopted in ECON its CMU report, building on the work by the next CMU high-level group and the CMU high-level forum. Last week, the Commission put forward the CMU action plan with 16 legislative and non-legislative actions. And currently, we are working on the capital markets recovery package, which I think we can finalize by the end of the year. My draft report on the CRR amendments to securitization will be available at the beginning of next week. The deadline for amendments is on Friday, the 9th of October. And third, we need your help to fuel our common political effort. We cannot achieve a stronger CMU without a strong push from the affected stakeholders to convince all decision makers and especially our national governments. Lastly, as rapporteur for the CRR amendments to securitization, let me raise some questions to our speakers from the financial sector. What is your view on the impact of the current crisis on securitization? Do you agree with a more risk-sensitive treatment for SDS on balance sheet synthetic securitization? And is the Basel technical amendment, which is now under consultation, enough to remove the existing constraints to the securitization of non-performance exposures in Europe? Or would you favor the approach by EBA from October 2019? But before, let me open the first session and give the floor to my colleague Isabel Benjumea, who is the European Parliament's rapporteur for the CMU report. Isabel, the floor is yours, and thank you very much for joining you and all other speakers at the webinar of our organization. Thank you very much. Enjoy the 90 minutes.